check it out check out that this is not looking good because of proper alignment. This is not a proper alignment, and here is not a proper description. This is it's not looking good here because of colors. So I need to manage my CSS and bootstrap in my product.csx or JSX files. So here what I will do, I will just go to the row or a column. Under this I will write md and 4 lg equals to 6, or I will try with 4. Okay, now check out the alignment. Okay, looking good here. Check out with the devices. Okay, now I will write sm, that is 12. Okay, and one more, that is excel. So I will go with excel here. It's a bootstrap properties. Basically I am managing this margins and size through the help of this properties. So here I will write 4. Okay, so whatever devices you have, different devices have this different respond of your cards. So that's it. Now I will change height also. So I will go with 32 rem, 35 rem, 36 rem. Okay, perfect here. Now in the description, this is my description, but you can see that here there's a characters of different characters have different numbers, so I need to manage these characters too. So for that I will use a substring to give a characters of number, means starting to end point of my description. So from 0 to 15 to 20 characters I need under this card. So how I can change here, I will make one variable, show more, it will be false, and under this I will write one code, that is show more ternary operator p dot description else, and backticks of for object literals, and here I will write p dot description dot substring, and under the substring I will give a start to end point. Now I will remove this. Let's check it out. Yep, it's working fine. Okay, now again I will change endpoint. I will increase the endpoint here. Okay, till 30 I, or till 50. Yep, perfect. So everything is synced now, as you can see here. Now I will change a property of height 30 rem. It's too short, so 32 rem. Okay, okay, perfect. Now change the font size and color. So this is my title, and here I will write one style. So font family will be font family. I will use impact. Okay, and color of my font. First of all, I will check this property is working or not. So randomly I will write, right? Okay, it's working. So open HTML color code, and from here, whichever color you like it, just copy this, copy, and paste it over here. Write hash, and okay, it's working fine here. Now this rupees, just change, try another color. Trying to another color here. Copy this, paste it, save. Okay, now I will change a color of rupees. So come into the rupees here, copy this style, paste it over here. Okay, and I will go with some similar colors. So go for yellow one. Okay, yep, go for red. Okay, copy this. It's orange color. Now copy this, paste it over here, save, and okay, looking great here. Now change this into another color because it's a title and it's a text. Okay, so copy this, paste it over here under this description, Control plus S. Okay, now change the color of add to cart button. So here if I will write danger, so it changes into red. Okay, looks great. Now just give a link to the product detail page. So here in the title I will give a nav link. Okay, so import nav link, import nav link from React Bootstrap or React Router DOM. Okay, now there is two 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 components of React Bootstrap, that is link and nav link. So I will give you a difference how we can differentiate between two. Link to is just like your href, but it's used for routing your system, so that's why we are using this. Come up to the index.js. Here you can see we already give a path. So to link a path wherever I required, I am using a link component. So come up here. Now wherever you required a link, just write it down, a link, or here I will give a 2. Okay, index.js, copy this and paste it over here. It's not working because I'm using a card title. So here I will use a link container from React Bootstrap, React Router Bootstrap. I guess I already installed this package. There's a package here. So React Router Bootstrap. Okay, install this package, npm I React Router Bootstrap, and just wrap up into the link container. Under this, paste your text of card title or a text, and here copy this, paste it here, Ctrl S, npm start. Products detail. So for that I will use a backticks because I will give a p dot underscore id here, and after that what I will do, I will just give a products slash p dot id. So whatsoever I am using here, I will give a link here, and when I will click in this, you got a detail page of your product ID. Okay, now need to improve a product detail page, but before that we'll make a header and footer, and after that move into the header and footer, we'll make a product detail page. Okay, now here I will make one more component, new file, header dot jsx, and one more component, footer dot jsx RAFCE RAFCE. Okay, now open a React Bootstrap. Get started. Components. Open your navbar. Copy this. Paste it over here. Now copy this. Paste it over here. But before that, I will write one fragments. That's it. Now come up to the app.js, call header component here, header. Okay, now we all import this successfully. Now what I required here, I will import one image also instead of writing React Bootstrap, I will write Aroma, and I have a logo of Aroma. Client, I have a public folder, and I will make one new folder. The name is image, and paste it over here, and open your browser. Now call this image, and give a source of image here. Here I will write icon.png, icon.png, and control plus S. Okay, so it's not working still now. So what's the folder name here? Just check it out. In the public we have image folder, so I will write image slash, and then it will shows your link. Okay, now home is my main page, so instead of writing href link, of course we are using link container, and copy this, paste it over here, and give a 2. Now under this give slash, so when I will click here, it will reflect the page of my index page. But if I require a detail page of it's not going to reflect my detail page. But if I will make one more component, that is new folder about, here I will make a file about, and in the header And before that I need to set up my route, write it down slash about, and here is your component which is the name of about here. Okay, now when I will click here, it's not reflecting. Come up to the header again. Okay, like this we can link to any of my component from one element to component. Okay, but I will work on here, and here I required only two links, that is login and sign up, and home. Under this home, of course I will just click on home or aroma, change into the index. Okay, press Ctrl S, save it. Now this is your index page. Okay, okay, fine. Now here, instead of writing ME, change it to MX. It reflects center, and in the center, basically we are not going to use in the center. Under this I don't require a drop down, so I will remove it. Remove the drop down, Control plus S, that's it. Home, here is your about us, Control plus S, copy this, paste it over here, Control plus S. Okay, now we need to do one more thing. So inspect this. Okay, so I will change this into max width. Max width. Now here change the property of 200px, and it shows like this. Refresh this again. Now in max width, change it to 1200px. Okay, 1500, and navbar collapse. Here I will change to ml. Okay, and okay, now this looks me like this. Change home and about us. So I will use some icons here. Open React icon. So and install it npmi react icon, npmi react icons. Now wait for a bit here. Okay, npm start, go to your browser and just click on ri box login, import here, paste this component into your login, control plus s. So as you can see here, it's give a icon of React. Now here I will change to cart. So it's cart here. Okay. Now choose any of them. I like this one or this one. This shows a net. So import this and copy this component. Paste this under the cart S and okay. So it reflects here. Now give a link into the Aroma home and about. So I don't require this href. Instead of that we are using link container. Right, link container. Control plus S to home. Instead of that I'm giving an index. Okay. The next thing is I need to give a path. So slash. So when I will click here under the home, it shows me in home, and in about. So copy this slash about and change this into about. Control plus S. Okay, so it's working fine. Now this is a login and card page. We'll work on it, and that's it of our header. I think so I should change this to black. So instead of red I will change this into black. Come to the products and change this secondary. Okay, now this is my home, and when I will click on the detail page, so it's not looking good here. So what I will do, I will just change the grid and each of everything of detail page. Open your detail page. This is my product detail page. Under this I will call one row. In this row I have a Okay, so import rows, columns, and everything from products. Copy this, paste it over here, and paste one more, means call one more component, that is image, MAGE. Okay, now row is defined but it's not using here, so under the column I will call product dot image. So we imported this column rows container cart button image and list group from products.jsx, and now what I will do here, I will make one row or a container. In this I will write row. In this row I will call column and say hi in this column. Okay, now make one more column. In this call list group component dot item, and here for checking purpose I will write hi. Okay, here I will call an image, so there will be my image here, and remove this, call here sources. Under the sources I will call product dot image. Okay, write class name empty5 and call this under the card. Okay, there is a product image here, and let's try under the card. In this I will call it. Okay, now align this codes with code formatter. Okay, now here under this list group dot item, first that is name, so product name, then description, then price, then category, and then brand, and here product dot name I will change the color, so write style, color will be in products title, like in product title I change a color, that is a title, and here copy this, paste it over here under the detail page, Control plus S, and same with description, copy it, okay, and the price similar like description, and just check it out into a bold of price. Cut this and write rupees. Make bigger this font size. In the font size, here I will write 20px, and same with category. Copy this style from description, paste under the category, Control plus S, and here is a brand. That's it. And after that we'll create one trending now page also, but it's enough here to give you a description page in align. Now give an empty 5 here so that it comes in the front of image, and that's it. There is so many of other fields like ratings, and we'll work on it, but I created this whole headers, description and price, category and brand Bellavita. We'll work on ratings or too, and so this is my product detail page. Okay.